Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura J6 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we had to disassemble the entire thing, get inside the machine, remove the brew unit, service it, lubricate it, replace all the O-rings that are around it, and then put it back together and do a cleaning cycle and a descaling cycle on the machine. We also had to replace the filter because, as you can see, this filter is broken from here, and this was also where the water was only available through the entire machine, because this thing is completely clogged. No water was coming out through here. It was coming out through here, and just needed to be replaced. So we replaced that with a brand new one. This is the bag of the new one that is inside of the machine, and you can see that it's already getting detected. So it's already working and ready to start brewing. So starting with one cappuccino, we're going to be testing this side of the machine. We do not have the hose of this machine, unfortunately, so we will not be able to siphon milk coming out from here. But we're still going to be able to see the steam coming out through the window. Now, like I said, we do not have the hose, but this is exactly what you want to see on the Jura machine, especially if you don't have the hose attached. You can feel it all over here siphoning, and like I said, we just don't have the hose for this machine. Now it's going to do the cappuccino on this side, and as you can see, a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Really great flow. And around 3 ounces of coffee, which is exactly what the machine has it for. Nice layer of crema on top of the espresso shot, looking great. Now we're going to be testing the spouts that you see right here. Now, as you can see, spouts are working correctly. Nice steady stream coming out of them. Excellent coffee as well. Great quantity as well, and look at that beautiful crema. Looking great. And now we're going to be testing this hot water one, and as you can see, steady stream as well, great temperature, working excellent. So there you have it, Jura J6 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.